What's going on? What's going on, guys? It's DJ Magic Kenny in the house.
DJ Magic Kenny in the house.
Today I received in the mail my Pioneer DDJ-1000 SRT, and I cannot wait to unpack it with you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do it right now because I'm coming with more mixtapes, more videos, and more DJ talk with you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that right now, and let's get to the package. Nice and simple box. Here we go, guys. Let's unpack these babies real quick. It comes with two boxes though, but I already took one off just to save us some time. As you can see, very nice and easy to carry around. I could lift it with one hand and I'm not even that strong. Very nice and easy controller, man. Easy to carry around. Comes with the manual, of course, the power cable, the USB cable. If you're familiar with Pioneer controllers, this is not a big difference. It's just they perfectionate their craft, I would say, on this one. The timing is better on this one, and well, you guys will see.
It's Magic.
Gains, the crossfader, professional crossfader, of course, and the one that everybody's been talking about is the jug wheel. Perfect for scratch if you're a scratcher. Comes with 8 pads. Pretty much the same thing that Pioneer been giving us for the past years. You got 2 input for the microphone. Takes 2 USB. You can add external turntables if you want. CDJs. Comes with different outputs, which I really like because it comes with a RCA output and XLR outputs. Now that we are done unpacking, let's go plug and play and see what this baby's about. As you can see, come with a manual that I was saying earlier, and it gives you a whole year. I don't know how long it is, but you have access to the DJ Serato suite. It unlocks all the professional Serato options for the Serato DJ. Alright, so let's turn them on and see what it look like. Ooh, these lights amaze me all the time, man, all the time. I like the lighting they have when you turn it on for the first time. Well, not for the first time. Every time you turn it on, it does that. Yeah, as you can see, the jug wheel comes with 4 channel. You could choose which deck you're using. Deck 1, deck 2, deck 3, deck 4. Pretty much the same options and features that was in the previous DJ SZ or the controller SX. It's just that, like I said earlier, on this one, I feel like they perfectionate this one. And it looks better. You got your master, your booth, your jug wheel. These babies can scratch their life away. I'm not a big scratcher, but I can show you guys how it works in a little bit. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna upload a song so you guys can see. Alright, when you upload a song, you can see the time, the BPM, and so much more. But what amazed me is that bar. It's like back in the day, the scratchers used to use it for people that use, let me show you guys, hold on. See this? They used to put a line on it. They used to put a line on it so they can see how many times they have to turn it, where they have to scratch, so they can track the song perfectly. But with this one, it comes with a controller. To me, that's the first controller I've seen that has that, and I like this feature a lot. So you can see I'm moving the pitch on the side, on the left side. The decks really shows you everything that it's going on your laptop. Like, you really don't have to look in your laptop to do anything. As when you're scratching, you can see it moving. That bar, it tells you when the song begins and ends. You can see right now if you're using your slip, vinyl, if you looping, there's so many things you could do with this controller. Gives you different options on the screen of the desk right in front of you, so you don't have to use your laptop at all. So let me play the song so you guys can see how the jug wheel and how it sounds and how everything is moving when you're playing a song. See that bar? You see that bar I was talking about? See how it's moving with my hand? Right now the song is on loop, so that's why I keep going back. Let me move it. See, pitch is moving. You move it on the desk. Man, like I'm literally not gonna look at my laptop at all. This is amazing. This is amazing. Like I said earlier, I'm not a big scratcher, guys. I'm more of a mixer, but I'm gonna show you just a little bit what these babies could do for somebody like me that don't even know how to scratch like that. Let's see. Alright guys, so as you can see, this controller has a lot of features in it, and I didn't even try half of the features that it come with. I was just showing you guys just a little bit of what it can do. For me, from my personal experience, this is the closest to a professional set that I've come across in a controller. This is an all-in-one package. I'm not forcing anybody to buy it. You can try it for yourself, because I did that too. I went to Gator Center to try it. I have a couple friends that bought it before me, and I definitely tried it. And today is my turn to tell you that if you're looking for a controller, this is the one you need to get. If you want to sound good, you want to look professional, this is what you need to have. It's not too big, it's not too small, and I think the price is around $1,200 plus tax. I'm sure you can find it cheaper. You can buy it used if you want. It's a brand new controller, so I doubt that you're gonna find a used one that's so messed up that you can't use it. Yeah, man, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Definitely coming out with more videos for you guys. DJ Magic Kenny, you know the vibes.